Okay, hey guys, I am doing a slime. It's something I still have a lot more. I'm gonna pause this and then get to the video. Okay, this is the third slime. Yeah, it's around there. Yeah, this one. It's another, still Laffy Taffy slime. And I showed you this one. It was a Laffy Taffy slime. This is a store-bought slime. See? It's not stretchy. It's not that clicky either. So here's my other slime. Now this is clicky. Let's see, it's clicky. This is another store-bought. It is marshmallow slime. It is stretchy. It is clicky. This is a homemade slime. It is stretchy too. It's clicky. Okay, this is my sixth slime. My seventh. It is a store-bought slime. It's peanut butter slime. It's kind of sticky, clicky, but not stretchy. See, it's not that stretchy. Okay, that was my eighth slime. This is my ninth. This is not open, so I'm gonna have to open it. Once I get it open, I'll be back. This is I think it's my ninth slime. It's pink. It is not clicky as well. And this is I think it's the 10th slime. And it is sticky. It is not sticky. It is very stretchy. It was made with clear glue. And it's got paint in it because I wanted to add color. Okay. So that is the 11th slime, I think that is. Okay. Now we are going to go to the next slime. Here is another. This is, it was made with glitter glue. It is stretchy, but like, it breaks apart just sometimes. Clicky. Okay, this is I think it was the 13th slime. Okay, go to the next one. This is a clay slime that I had made. It's not very stretchy. Like, it gets really hard because of the clay I used, but Model of Magic clay really works good. That's this, but it's really hard. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay, this is another slime. It was made with clear slime, clear glue. Okay. Now let's get to the next. This is my last slime, because I have more, but like I don't want to show you those today. This is the last one. Once I get this open, I will be back. Okay, this one that I'm about to show you is not also very stretchy. Well, I hope you like this video. Subscribe and comment down below. Next video is going to be me making slime. Alright, well, see you next video. Bye.